I haven't posted about this project. This was supposed to be sort of just for me kind of thing, but I'm gonna post about it. In here I've got a Korean rice wine, which I've been brewing for probably about a month now. So inside we've got 1 kilogram of black rice, which is black glutinous rice, 1 kilogram of just regular glutinous rice, 1 kilogram of regular rice, and then on the 8th of February, I added 1 more kilogram of glutinous rice. I don't know if it was 1 kilogram actually, and I used ale yeast for this as well. There was no sort of like game plan with this. I kind of just kept adding stuff to it. It started off as a makgeolli. I tried it while it was a makgeolli, it was pretty good. And then I just kept it going. I added a bit more water, I added a bit more rice, just let it re-ferment again, and it did ferment again. The activity slowed down a lot, almost to nothing. So we're gonna open this up, filter it out, put it into some bottles, let it settle down, and then we should have sort of like a clear purplish rice wine. Kind of similar to sake, but it's more like the Korean version of sake. We're gonna go first person POV for this. A little bit of bubbling going on. I think it's just residual sort of gas being released, but it smells really nice, really sweet. Now I have no idea what the alcohol percentage on this is, but I do expect it to be upwards, maybe just above 10%. No rinse brewing sanitizer. Spray it down, and I'll just let it rest upside down to sort of dry off and drip off a little bit. Got a filter bag, which I can put around the top here. That is a lot more drink than I expected. I don't even know if I'll have enough space to keep all this. Okay, never mind. It loses a lot of weight as soon as I do that.